Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit product photos like professional for Instagram in Lightroom. So if you want to make your product photos look professional and aesthetic for Instagram, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can edit product photos like a pro, ensuring they are clean, vibrant, and eye-catching for your brand or online store. So first, you can just open your photos in Lightroom and then go to edit in here, and on the light you can adjust the contrast to 5 and the highlight -10, and then scroll down for the shadow 38, white -30, and the black -11. And now click on the color. For the temperature and thin, increase it to only 2. Scroll down again, and for the vibrance, set it to 12. Saturations -6. Okay, now let's move on to the mix. On the red color, set the saturations to 10. And the luminance 15. Next, on the orange, set the saturations to 20 and luminance -32. Yellow, saturations 12. And the luminance -32. Sorry, for the orange ones, the luminance is -6. I mixed that with the yellow. Let's go to the green one. Saturations 13. And then the luminance -6. Okay, you can just adjust it the rest based on your photo. Okay, when you're done with the color mix, just click on done and go to effects. And now you can just click on the texture, set it to 16 and the clarity 5 and the dehaze 20. Now click on the detail. For the sharpening, adjust the amount to around 18 and the noise reductions 17. Lastly, the color noise 17. Okay, so you can just go back, and this is the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.